Hi friends. So today we have the new topic on the Google Cloud. So here we can create the static website with the Google Cloud Storage. So first of all, we have to create the bucket. Then we have to create the file. Then we have to put the that file inside the bucket. And after that, we have to enable the public access. So in order to enable the public access, we have to add the all user to provide the access like the bucket reader as well as the object reader, so that everyone, like any user, can able to read the object from the bucket. And after that we can validate whether that object is opening or not. And in the step third, then we have to create the load balancer. Then we can attach the load balancer to the dedicated the bucket. And after that we can open the website using the load balancer, like the public IP. Then we can validate that, right? So here I'm going to create the one of the bucket. So let me go to the Google Cloud Console and let me open the Google Cloud Storage. Here I have to create one bucket. It's taking some time because my internet maybe is slow here. Okay, yeah, I think there's one existing bucket. Let me remove it. Let me delete it. If I refresh the page, if you see here, there is no any bucket here. So let me create one bucket so that I can put some file inside that bucket. Okay, so let me take the name as the static website, like that. Okay, like the static website 2023. Okay, so let me click on continue. If you see here, we have the multi-region, dual region, and the region. But as we are doing the demo, so we don't require dual region or the multi-region. Okay, I'll take as the single region. Then I can take the class as the default. Also, the public access would be prevent for the time being. After that, I can do some settings. Let me click on create. Also, I'm taking the versioning as a none because I don't require any object versioning now. Okay, let me click on confirm. You can see the bucket has been created, and I have already one of the file like the index.html, so you can create that also. I have one of the sample file, the index.html. Let me put inside that bucket. You can see the file is already put inside the bucket. Let me you can see this is the steps, like we created the bucket, we put the file. Okay, so now on the next step we can enable the public access. The time being, let me just validate that whether that file is opening or not. So it is the authenticated URL because I have logged in with my Gmail account, so I can able to access it, but the public URL is not accessible. Okay, so as I have already logged in with the authenticated user, you can see that that file is opening. But if I take this URL, if I open in the incognito mode, then that will not open. Okay, so let me open in the private window. Let me copy the URL. I just told you it is the authenticated URL. Without the username and the password, the user cannot open it. So you can see here I'm trying to open it in the private mode. It's not opening. Okay, so thank you guys. So the first step has been completed. So we can connect in the second step. In the second